for number 2, we're trying to find the critical numbers. So our first step is to take the derivative, and we have definitely something with a variable times something else with a variable here. So this is for sure going to be the product rule. So I want to use the product rule. So f prime is going to be equal to x squared times negative 3 e to the negative 3x plus e to the negative 3x times 2x. So if we simplify that, then that's going to be equal to negative 3x squared e to the negative 3x plus 2x e to the negative 3x. Now, once you take the derivative, our next step is to set this equal to 0 and to solve. So if we do that, this is going to be negative 3x squared e to the negative 3x plus 2x e to the negative 3x is equal to 0. And how we solve this for 0 is we need to factor it. So before, we've been sometimes factoring the derivative, sometimes not factoring the derivative. Here we definitely need to factor the derivative because we're trying to figure out where it's equal to 0. So I'm going to factor out e to the negative 3x. I'm going to factor out an x, and that's going to leave me with negative 3x plus 2. So I really have 3 different parts to this. The negative 3x plus 2, this is going to give me x is equal to 2/3. And we get 0 from just that x there. Now the e to the negative 3x, it's actually never equal to 0. So this is never equal to 0. So what that's going to do is it's actually not going to contribute any critical numbers. So my 2 critical numbers would be 0 and 2/3.